Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas Thanawala. I am from Section 10, Group B, and my roll number is 21GG10037. And here's my DIY assignment 1. So the first project that I made is that of a twisted vase using the loft operation. So the second project I made is that of a pen stand, and I used Boolean operations to make this cut. So the third project I made is that of a vase, and I made this using the revolve operations. So now here is my last project, and yes, it is a submarine, and this is the most interesting project out of all the four, and I would love to work on this someday and fix a motor in it and make it work. um and yeah, I've made this, like, I've made this body by revolve option, and I have fitted some arrays over here, and there's one fillet over here and another over here. Like, it goes all the way inside and comes out from the other side. Uh, yeah, and I have one cone back here. Yeah, so that's it. So this is an Ultimaker Cura software. It's a 3D printing software. Um, and here's our summary. And we have set the layer height to be 0.2 mm, infill density to be 70% and not 100%, because if whenever I print it, I want it to be able to float. So by that logic, I just do not set it on 100. And printing temperature at 220 degrees Celsius, print speed at 60 mm per second, and build plate adjacent type brim. Now we are going to slice it. Yeah, so it's going to take 1 day, 7 hours and 36 minutes to be fully printed, and it would weigh 622 grams, and its length dimension is 78.63 meters. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.